Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the fifth question in exercise 6.3. S and T are points on sides PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. Show that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. See, in this problem, they have not given us the diagram, so we are going to draw it by ourselves. So let's first draw a triangle PQR, and S and T are points on sides PR and QR. So I'm going to mark this side as this point as S and this point as T. So that's also taken care, such that angle P is going to be equal to angle STR or RTS. So these two angles are given to be equal. Now let's list what is given to us. So given angle P is equal to angle RTS. What are we supposed to prove? We are going to prove that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. So let's start with the proof. Let's take the two triangles. So in triangle RPQ and the triangle RTS, what do we know? We know that angle P is equal to angle RTS. Why? Because this was given to us in the problem itself. And we also know that angle PRQ is equal to angle TRS, which is the common angle. See, let's understand what this is. So we are looking at angle PRQ, which is nothing but this angle, which is also nothing but TRS. So between these two triangles, you have angle R that is common. Therefore, triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS using AA criteria. We need only two angles to be similar, equal to say that the two triangles are similar. So AA criteria, so this means this is true for us. This is one of the shortest and easiest proofs in this exercise. In the next video, we will see how to solve the sixth question in this exercise.
Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.